motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, man, rise and grind. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace an alternator on the Acura TL. It's been having a lot of alternators lately, but hey, I'm going to give them to y'all raw. Alright, this is what we got. Alright, alternator. The alternator is located right there at the top. I'm going to take off this cover, gain a little bit more access. We got these tabs right here. Just pry up on them, flathead. Get them out. Now we're going to disconnect our battery terminal. Now you see how that's loose? I can move that. That right there can cause the battery to not charge. Showed that in the last video. Alright, so next we gotta get the belt off. That's the belt tensioner right there. Alright, we got it on the belt tensioner, 14 mil. Down there. That's how I got it set up. You just push it back towards the firewall and you can release the belt. And there it is, it's off. You can go to the next. Alright, we're gonna take off this 10 mil here. Take off these connectors. That bolt right there is a 12 mil. We got another connector down there. Gotta take that off. Get that up out the way. Start working on these bolts. Alright, by looking at the alternator, we have a bolt right here up top. We have another one down bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and locate those. Alright, and that top bolt, 12 mil. Alright, so this one is a little different. We got that bolt down there is actually hidden behind this here. So this is my way of getting to that bottom bolt. Some people might do it different, but as you can see, I'm getting it out. Make it work, make it work. And you see that pulley in the way? I ain't about to take all that off, man. I'm gonna do it the way I feel best, baby. Let's go. Right, see, we got it loose. So next we're gonna have to take out this fan so we can pull it on out. These 10mm bolts, 1, 2, and pull that fan out. I don't know if there's some bolts at the bottom, we're gonna see. Alright, so we had the 2 bolts at the top, and then there's 2 bolts at the bottom. I want to show you, I didn't show how I did it, but I'll tell you. Alright, out. Alright, see these tabs here. That's at the bottom holding it down with two 10 millimeter bolts. You gotta get up under the vehicle and gain access up through there. Alright, with the fan out, see we got plenty of room. You can start with that first, you know, before even taking anything off the alternator, so you can have hand room. That's just how I went into it. But go ahead and get this alternator up out of here. Everything look good. All right, reverse order. Back in with the bolt. Belt on. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and start it up. So it was dead upon arrival, no power, so you're gonna have to, when it's like that, you gotta jump it. Just like that, we done, man. It took me a good, it was a 10 o'clock appointment. It's 11:30, so a good hour and a half. If you're liking the content, man, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. Y'all have a blessed pull-up game.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.